Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to create Telegram channel. It won't take you long, let's go! The first thing you need to do is go to Telegram. Click on the pencil icon. New channel. Think of a name for your channel. You can also add an avatar and description for your channel. What kind of channel do you want? Public or private? Make a choice. You can also create a link for your channel. Now you can invite your friends to your Telegram channel. Congratulations, you have created your Telegram channel. Let's create a post. Hello everyone. Great. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video has been useful to you. Subscribe to the channel and click like. Your support is very important to us. Goodbye.